Alright, the next topic is power. Power is the rate at which energy is converted. It's the rate at which you burn calories if you're exercising. It's the rate at which you consume gasoline, or the rate at which energy is coming off of a light bulb. So there are many ways energy can be converted, and power is the time rate change of that. We'll define that now. If you look at a light bulb will give off energy in the form of heat and light, and it's how many joules of energy come off every second. It's often important to know that if there's enough energy available to perform a task, but we also need to know the time required. As I just stated, power is defined as the rate at which work is done or energy is transformed. So a 100 watt light bulb will convert 100 joules of electrical energy into heat and light, primarily heat, every 1 second, and that's 100 watts. Since work is measured in joules and time is measured in seconds, power, or joules per second, is named in honor of James Watt, and his contributions were critical in developing steam engines. And steam engines are used for transportation, but were also used in industry and helped spark this wonderful thing, our Industrial Revolution, which changed our country forever. So we can calculate the power using one of two methods. Our previously defined method, power is work over time. But since we know power is force times distance divided by time, and we can isolate distance divided by time, power can also be described as force times velocity. So velocity, the rate at which you run, is often related to how much energy you're converting every second when you're running against a resistive force. We always are, against the wind. So power can be the change in energy per unit time. If you have a minute, go online, or you can go into a presentation and look at how a four-stroke motor works. And a four-stroke motor involves converting chemical potential energy in the form of gasoline into thermal energy, heat, and then ultimately, because gases are expanding within a cylinder, you'd end up with mechanical energy, which lets us go down the road.